Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the brightness not working issue in Windows 11. First, open Device Manager. To do this, right-click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Device Manager. Once Device Manager is open, look for the section called Monitors. Click the small arrow next to it to expand it. You will see your monitor listed there. Right-click on your monitor and select Disable Device. Wait for a few seconds. After that, right-click on the monitor again and select Enable Device. This can refresh the monitor settings and sometimes fix brightness problems. Next, in the same Device Manager window, look for Display Adapters. Click the arrow to expand this section. You will see your graphics card listed there. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver. You can select to search automatically for drivers. Windows will check if there is a new driver available and install it if needed. After updating the drivers, we will run a system scan to check for corrupted files. Open the terminal by pressing the Windows key and typing CMD. Right-click on CMD and select Run as Administrator. In the terminal, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This command will scan your system files and repair any problems it finds. Once the scan is finished, restart your computer. These steps usually solve most brightness issues in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.